This is a problem that works with geometric sequences, and we want to find three terms between 12 and 3072. So we want to find three terms. So step one is we want to set up the sequence. So this is term one. Then we have an unknown term 2, 3, and 4. So those are our question marks that we want to find. And then we have term 5. Step 2 is to find the common ratio. So we're going to use the explicit formula right here. That should look familiar to you. So we have to count how many common ratios it takes to go from term 1 to term 5. So there's one common ratio to multiply term 1 common ratio, get term 2. Now we have to jump and multiply another common ratio to get to term 3. Multiply another common ratio to get to term 4, and then another common ratio to term 5. So how many common ratios do we have? We have 4 of them. So we say, to find term 5, we start with term 1 and multiply 4 common ratios. So now let's substitute in what we know. We know that 3072 is term 5. We know term 1 is 12, but we don't know the common ratio. So we're going to go ahead and solve it for r. So step 1 is to go ahead and divide both sides to solve for r by 12. So we say 3072, we divide it by 12. Just kind of jump over to here, I ran out of room. So we get 256 equals r to the 4th. Now we need to find out what r is, so we're going to undo the r. So we're going to take the 4th root of both sides. And you take the 4th root of 256, and you get 4. So your common ratio from one term to the next is 4. Now we can go ahead and find the 3 missing terms. So if you remember, your first term was 12. To find the next 3 terms, we're going to continue multiplying by 4. So 12 times 4 is 48. And multiply by 4 again, so 48 times 4, here we get 192. Multiply by 4 again, and we get 768. Now let's just check. Multiply it by 4 again. You should get 3072. So our 3 missing terms for our geometric sequence are 48, 192, and 768.